All right, hey, today we're going to do a tutorial called Photo Cutout. So again, you're going to have the original image and ultimately it's going to turn into that. If you take a peek at this, we are ultimately going to have something that looks like that or like that. All right, so the first thing we're going to need you to do is duplicate that background. Okay. Next, turn off the background layer because what we're going to do is we need to cut the figure out. All right. One of the easiest ways to cut the figure out is just to use the eraser tool. All right. What I'm going to do is this. I'm going to first zoom in. Now, grab my eraser tool. I can change the size of that right up here. Or if I look on my keyboard, right next to the P key are the bracket keys. And if you notice, look at it, it makes it bigger and smaller just by using those keys. Now, what I'm going to do next is I'm going to ultimately erase all the way around him. All right, taking care. If I ever make a mistake, I can always say edit, step backwards. All right, now watch this, what happens here, ladies and gentlemen. All right, so I want to shrink this down so I can get a little more detailed. Okay, a little finer. All right, now I got to the top here. Well, all I need to do is press my space bar. And if you notice, my cursor becomes a hand, which allows me to move the image so that I can keep working as I'm doing that. All right, now, here we go, folks. So this is going to take a little bit of time. All right, but ultimately then what you're going to do is, you just keep erasing. And then once you got a nice little outline around them, this goes all fast and you just keep going, okay? Okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen, here we are back. You can see, look at, I've totally cut out the character. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do next, I'm going to turn on the background layer. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw the frame that I want to show. Okay. So I use my rectangular marquee tool. All right. I draw this section because again, it's going to be something similar like this. Okay. Draw this section out. Now, watch what I do here. I'm going to add a layer mask. You see what that did? Now, next, once you have that, I want you to come up here and go to Edit. I'm sorry, Layer, Layer Style, Stroke. All right. And you can see, look at here, I changed my color to white. And I see right here, 7 looks very good. So I'm going to say OK. All right. Now, next, I'm going to add a new layer. Move that down to here. Edit, Fill, Gray. Say OK. Now I'm going to come back up to here, touch this. I'm going to control click. All right. And now I'm going to say Edit, Transform, Distort. And look what I can do. Move this sort of how I want. I want to get that little mountain peak up in there. Go like this. Just hit enter. Select, deselect. And there you go, ladies and gentlemen. All right. Hope you enjoyed that. File, export as JPEG. Save.